Can you eat it, Kate? Mmm. Was that good? Was that good? She's sticking her fingers, but then she puts her thumb in her mouth. Kate. Ooh. Ooh, you're getting your finger in there now. Eat it. Uh-oh. You got a messy hand now. Ooh. Wow. Is that good?
Delicious. Go for it, Kate.
Pick it up. Pick it up and eat it. Pick it up. Eat it. What was that move? What's that? Eat it, Kate. You're just playing with it. That's, I think, angel food cake. Is that good?
Hey, that was great.
Oh my gosh, that was a big bite. That was a big bite of chocolate frosting.
Yum, yum.
Is that good, Kate? Give her a spoon, see if she can scoop it up. Kate, there's a spoon.
Okay, Kate. Want a spoon? Yeah. Dig into it.
Here, let's go for some of this. There. Eat that. Yeah. Yeah.
Now have a piece of cake. Have some cake.
Is that good?
Trying to help you build that cake. Yeah.
Oh, you missed it. You missed it. You missed it. Put it on. Are you going to eat it or are you going to put it on the spoon? Put it on the spoon and then eat it.
It's
Yeah.
got a good bite.
Get that in your mouth. You did it! Oh my heck! Whoa! Yay!
Go, Kate.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Woohoo.
I know, Jeanette's cooking isn't that good. Thank you. I think it's so light and airy. That was a big bite though, girl. That was a big bite. Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Oh my gosh.
Delicious.
You need some more help with this? Here. Oh, sorry. Put it on the spoon, please. Put it on the spoon. Oh, you missed it.
That's probably good, John.
Boom. There. Get it in there. Get it in there. Woo! Big bite. You're feeding yourself pretty good there, girl. Is that sugar working? Yeah, scoop it off you. Yeah, get that down there. Scoop some of that off that fell down on your belly. Yeah. Is that your congratulations that you're finally adopted cupcake from Aunt Jeanette? Yeah. Do you want another spoonful? Do you want another spoonful?
Yes, please.
Go for it. Go for it. Put it in. Put it in your mouth. It's falling. Put it in. Yeah. Get it in there.
Go, Kate, go, Kate.
Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh, it fell. Pick it up. Pick it up and put it on your spoon. Pick it up and put it on your spoon. Okay. Yeah. Try again. Try again. Oh.
She says you can have a bite now.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yay! Say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you, Aunt Jeanette. Thank you.